Good morning, this is Gabriel Jackson, and welcome to BJC Mitzvah Day number 56, part 2, using the Sefer HaChinuch. A mitzvah day keeps your soul on its way. The obligation upon the court, the Beis Din, to judge cases involving damages by fire, and once again dedicated to our holy idea of soldiers. They should be successful in every way. The underlying purpose of this mitzvah is well known, as we have already stated. Says the footnote in Mitzvah 49, the Chinuch writes that it is impossible for the world to survive without laws that ensure justice, for in the absence of justice, people will not form a civilized society and will be unable to live together in unity. You have to take care of these people that mess up, even unintentionally. The laws of this mitzvah are numerous. The Chinuch begins with laws pertaining to how one must guard a fire and what makes one responsible for damage that it does. They include, for example, the measure of the distance that we must move a fire away from the border of a property to ensure that it will not be able to spread and cause damage, which varies in accordance with the height of the fire. The law of one who sends a fire in the hands of a deaf mute, a deranged person, or a minor, or who places a fire in the hands of a mentally competent individual. The law regarding a group of people that collaborates to cause a blaze, for example, where one individual brings the fire, another individual brings wood to fuel the fire, and a third individual fans the flames. And the law regarding a case where one fans a fire while the wind also fans it, and it spreads as a result of this combined fanning. Once again, we talked about how the mitzvah day is really the bold print, and the halacha day that we also do is the fine print. So you see there's many halachas regarding this mitzvah. The Chinuch now addresses other laws, including certain exemptions from liability. Also included are the law regarding vessels destroyed in a fire while concealed with a stack of grain, or vessels destroyed while concealed within a large house. Also regarding the case of a camel that passes by a shop while loaded with large bales of flax, and the flax catches fire from the shopkeeper's lamp, and then as the camel walks down the street, the burning flax ignites other property. What the law is that governs this case, and alternatively, what the law is when the passing animal's load is ignited by a shopkeeper's outdoor Hanukkah lamp. The Chinuch concludes, these laws, as well as the additional details of this mitzvah, are explained in the 2nd and 6th chapters of Tractate Bava Kama. This mitzvah, meaning the obligation to judge cases of fire damages, applies to men, for the obligation to judge is incumbent upon them. A court, a Beis Din that transgresses this commandment and does not judge one who damages through fire to make restitution in accordance with the law written in the scriptural passage, has violated a mitzvah obligation. And that, my friends, concludes this mitzvah. Thanks for listening to Sponsor Future Mitzvah, or to be part of our Chai Club. Click the link below. We'll see you tomorrow.